Welcome to International Islamic University, Malaysia, where innovation meets sustainability. We are proud to introduce our pioneering solar project, a beacon of our dedication to the United Nations Sustainable Development Goal 2030 agenda. In alignment with SDG 7, Affordable and Clean Energy, and SDG 13, Climate Action, this initiative embodies our commitment to fostering environmental stewardship, enhancing energy efficiency, and promoting climate resilience. This project is a cornerstone of IIUM's commitment to sustainability, aligning with our strategic vision in the IIUM Roadmap 2023 to 2024, a strategic plan that sets the course for an exciting virtual journey towards 2040. Under the sustainable ecosystem domain, IIUM strives to maintain a sustainable campus through acculturation of green practices among IIUM community with the ultimate goal of net zero campus. Our solar project features an impressive total capacity of 6.25 megawatt peak. The solar panels will be strategically located on the rooftops of our main faculty buildings, newly constructed solar car park at the existing car park area and solar walkway. These prime locations maximize sunlight exposure and seamlessly integrate sustainable technology into IIUM's campus landscape. Installation of solar panels on the car park's roof and walkway's canopy creates a shaded area where vehicles are protected from exposure to direct sunlight and students can commute comfortably with protection from scorching sun and heavy downpours. By generating clean renewable energy, our solar panels will offset 11,092 tons carbon dioxide annually, equal to the carbon dioxide absorbed by 284,402 trees. Join us as we harness the power of the sun, reducing environmental impact and setting a new standard for sustainability in higher education. This is IIUM Solar Sparks, illuminating greener future with photovoltaics.